Rob Etmans of NAPCO. Greetings, Rob.
Yeah, how you been?
Doing well. We're going to jump into the hardware aspect to NAPCO's MVP Access Cloud platform.
Yep.
Rob, let's start with a question for integrators. They're often balancing installation, speed, reliability, and cost with deploying door hardware. How are NAPCO's access panels and locking solutions designed to simplify those deployments?
We cover that two ways. One, we have the wireless locks that are very easy to install, very low labor cost, very affordable solution for a cloud-hosted system. Not many people have that solution. For instance, we have a cylindrical lock. All you have to do is take off 2 screws, replace it with our wireless lock, you're in business. The other is we have a dedicated panel for MVP. Very simple to add to the system. It uses a QR code. You scan that QR code with your mobile app, it automatically phones home.
Nice.
Very low labor costs is basically what it comes down to.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So from an end user standpoint, reliable door hardware is critical to everyday security operations.
Absolutely.
What advantages do NAPCO's panels and wireless locks provide in those real-world environments?
Oh, reliability. We've been making access control panels since 1961. We have panels using the same process, the same type of equipment, the same type of development that we've always used to create an over-designed and just an absolute reliable panel. And that's what our customers expect from us. So once you hang that panel is going to be there for years.
Rob, locksmiths are making this transition from hardware. I mean, it's how does MVP Easy combine with NAPCO's locking hardware? How is that helping locksmiths quickly get into these deployments?
Well, that's the great thing about our locking hardware. We adjusted the hardware to be able to be that on-prem that they're used to. Locksmiths understand locking hardware. They always have. The part that has always been difficult for locksmiths to bring over to their system is the fact that they didn't understand how to connect it to the cloud. They didn't understand how to connect it to software. We make it very easy. The locks, just like our panels, you scan it with a QR code. It automatically learns into the MVP. There's no programming that they need to do. It's a lot easier, that learning curve that locksmiths have always not wanted to come across, they're able to do it now without any troubles.
Nice. So many organizations are looking for access solutions that combine cloud software and flexible hardware options. How is NAPCO bringing those two pieces together?
Because we do have the native panels as well as the locks. Our architecture is such that you can have all wireless locks, all hardwired doors, you can have a combination of both. You can deploy interior, exterior. We have solutions for all solutions.
So let's talk a little bit about what you're highlighting here at ISC West, whether it's panels, wireless locks, related technologies. Talk a little bit about what you're showcasing.
We're showcasing the MVP Easy. That's really our flagship right now. It is a mobile app that we're able to easily enroll our hardware into the cloud. That cloud is very low cost. It's a fixed rate. There are no additional line items that you have to worry about. That's really what our claim to fame on the MVP is.
So one final takeaway for attendees and also people viewing at home. Give me some takeaway about the approach to access control hardware for NAPCO.
So MVP was designed to make up for that lack of qualified technicians in the field today. We're trying to lower the labor cost and lower that barrier to entry into cloud, giving our dealers and dealers that are out there buying through distribution that ease of starting to generate the recurring revenue model.
RMR.
Yeah, that's key in the world today, RMR. That's what all our dealers are looking for.
Rob Etmans of NAPCO.